Everyone can earn $2, $5, or even more than $10 every minute just by watching videos. Watching one video on YouTube, you will get $2. If you watch 10 videos, you will get $20. Amazing! You can use this trick to get money online forever, and even if this system is running, you can get regular income of up to hundreds of dollars. So just subscribe to this channel, and we will start from the first step. On this occasion, I will discuss how to make money from the internet using a site called Earnably.com. This site allows you to earn money just by doing various online activities, such as watching videos, playing games, and filling out surveys. As proof that Earnably is safe and reliable, many people have managed to collect 100,000 points that can be exchanged for money in the form of dollars, and the money goes into their PayPal account. Why does the money that comes in have to go through PayPal? The first is because it is safe. Whether you are paying bills, sending payments, shopping, or selling, PayPal works hard to keep your financial information secure. Securely pay anyone, anywhere in the world. Secondly, because it's fast. No need to enter all your financial information every time you cash out from a website or make a purchase. Add your info to your wallet. Then speed up the checkout process with your card, bank, or PayPal credit product with freedom and flexibility. Thirdly, because it's easy. It's free to sign up for PayPal, where you can make purchases and send payments to family and friends using your PayPal balance or bank account with no additional fees. Online, in-store, or anywhere, we have the tools you need to accept payments easily and securely. Okay, let's get into our discussion on how to earn $2 to $10 by watching videos. Let's go to Earnably.com. It says here, you will get free gift cards and cash from PayPal. So just by completing the missions written here, namely, completing offers, surveys, and tasks, you will get free gift cards from various platforms. Namely, gift cards from Amazon, gift cards from Apple, gift cards from Spotify, and many more. So there are many offers and tasks. But what we are discussing is how to make money from watching videos here, because we can get the most money here. Earnably provides many offers that can be accessed via smartphone or web devices. Before you can use the amazing features on Earnably, you must first log in. Logging in is very easy, just like when you log in on other platforms. You can log in using a Google account, Facebook account, or PayPal account. Okay, now we have entered the website, so the dashboard that you will see when you successfully log in is like this. Here there are lots of offers and tasks that you can complete. Every task that you have completed, you will get points which you can exchange for real money that you can use in the real world. The good news is, currently, very few people know about this money-making site, so you won't have many competitors here. The good news is, to withdraw the money you have earned, with just $1, you can withdraw the money to your PayPal account. Very easy, right? So I explain in detail how can we get money from this site. Now let's look at the left. There are several menu lists that we can access. The first is the offer menu, which looks like this. Then there is the explore menu. Here we can earn money by viewing ads. Next, there is the survey menu, where we can earn money from surveys. And the next is the video menu, where we earn money from watching videos. As you can see, this is a list of tasks given by Earnably. Then below the tasks, there are points that you will get if you successfully complete the task. We see there are 350,000 points, some 200,000 points, and even tasks that can get 800,000 points. What are the functions of these points? So the points we get from completing each task given by Earnably, we can exchange for dollars and we can cash them out. Okay, so make sure you watch this video until the end, because this information is very important for those of you who want to earn money from $1 to $100 easily. Next, what device you are currently using will determine the tasks you will work on. If you are using a PC or laptop, you select tasks that are specific to computer. If you are using an iPhone or iOS, you select the tasks that are specific to iPhone or iOS. And if you are using an Android device, you select the tasks that are specific to Android devices. Here there are many tasks and point rewards that you can do. You just choose which task you want to do as you wish. Okay, now, I will give you one example of a task that can be done by a computer because I'm currently using a computer. This task is called Finance Survey, where we can get 518 points from this task. The task is, complete the survey and confirm as soon as possible. Well, then we click and we will be directed to a new browser window. Here there is a kind of online quiz that we have to fill out. We just do what is ordered. The first question is, what is your gender? Here I answered male. Then the next question is, are you over 18 years old? Here I answered yes. The next question is, how do you make a living? Then I answered that I work. Next, there's a question, how much is your average income in 1 year? I answered $10,000 to $30,000, and we continue to answer until the question is finished, and the points we get will automatically go into our account. Likewise, for the video menu options, here we can get money by watching videos that have been provided by Earnably. The method is, we click the video menu. Next, there will be many choices of videos that you can watch and how many points you will earn from watching the video. For this video, point varies between 80 points to 425 points per video. This is good news, where every hour you can take the time to watch videos and get points from here, which points can be cashed in the form of dollars at any time without any daily restrictions. You can open all these videos each in a different Google Chrome tab, so you can double your income up to 10 times. And now is the best part of this money-making platform. You click here, then you see the offers given by Earnably to you. Look here, you can find that there are lots of famous platforms and various tasks to make money online, such as AdGate Media, AdSend Media, RevU, Monlix, and many more. Here you can make money from watching ads offered by them. One of the best is Monlix. They offer high pay for people who watch their ads. The way we click on Monlix, then we will be taken to this display and you can watch the ads they offer. Watch as many ads as possible so you can get as much money as possible. How to watch it, you click on all the ads here. Repeat up to 5 to 10 times to get more money. Then the second is Time Wall. If you click, you will be taken to this display. Before you get money from here, all you need to do is register first. Just register as usual here. After registering, then click here where it says Click. Then here, it will display ads one by one. So if you finish watching one ad, the next ad will appear automatically and you can watch unlimited ads to make money from here. The more money you will get, of course. As I discussed in the previous point, if you want to double your income from here, you have to do as many offers or tasks as possible. It can also be done through the survey menu that we discussed earlier, because the survey menu also gives big points for each survey they provide. There are many types of surveys available here. There are 4-minute to 18-minute surveys. You can choose which one you like and answer the easy questions they give. Then you will get points that you can later exchange for real money. This is a very simple survey and clearly makes money, because as we can see, the survey providers here are big companies. The name of this platform is Earnably.com. As you can see, Earnably has a star rating of more than 4.5 on the Trust Pilot site, which shows that this is one of the legitimate and safe websites to make money online. And the good news is, you only need $1 to be able to withdraw from here. It is very easy to get $1 in your Earnably account. To withdraw funds, you click the Redeem button here, and you can withdraw to your payment account, or you can also use different payment methods available in your country. Again, this is a golden opportunity for you because only a few people know about this Earnably site, which means you won't have many competitors here. And if you want to see how much I earn and see me withdraw, help me get 4,000 likes on this video. Good luck, and thank you for watching.